name's Mike Faihst. I worked full-time for Pella for 16 years.
Mike has spent the last 50 years of his life dedicated to serving others and volunteering in our community. His compassion has no bounds. His area of volunteerism is not just one group of people, but a broad spectrum of the people that he chooses to serve.
Angels Clinic, of course, Kids Care About Hunger, Salvation Army. I volunteer down at the Blood Bank, the Chamber of Commerce. I do stuff with Murray State, the Humane Society, Playhouse in the Park. It's a local nonprofit that puts on plays during the course of the year, and during the summer they have a program where they bring kids in and try to get them acclimated to theater. And many of them start there and continue on through high school, and their parents even continue on past the time that the kids leave. The list is about a mile long, but that's a quick snapshot of it. But I stay busy doing volunteer work and also helping my neighbors out when they need it.
He very much has made a positive impact on our community. I feel like he's limitless. And really, when it comes down to it, Mike just wants to serve others.
Back in '61, I think it was, when President Kennedy did his inauguration, and one of his sayings then was, "Ask not what your country can do for you, but what you can do for your country." And I kind of dumbed it down for me and looked more at the community. So once I turned 18, I became a volunteer fireman and did that for about 16 years in 3 different fire departments because I moved. And then when I moved down here, I just started volunteering with other stuff. Volunteering helps make a community better, and I know Pella is very community oriented, and it takes a lot of people to make a community better.
He's genuine, he's humble, he's compassionate, he's selfless, and just truly cares about people.
If you're doing something for somebody else and it feels good, it's the right thing to do. And nowadays there seems to be a lot of hate in the world, and I try to do just the opposite. And to me, if it feels good in your heart, you're doing the right thing.